Hello people, welcome to another episode of Cilantro. Today we're gonna cook something called as a fast food chicken. This was inspired by the street fast foods in India. You know, we have seen it in many reels and like stories and stuff. So this dish, all I took was like simple ingredients, leftover ingredients from my home, and I try to make the mix and match out of it to try to produce the best recipe. Since this is an experimental dish, I took the liberty of taking the simple ingredients from my fridge and working things out. So here they are. We have 3 green chilies that is cut into half and 1 whole onion diced into shells. And we have yellow peppers, a quarter yellow peppers that is cut into small pieces. And my favorite cherry tomatoes, 7 to 8 tomatoes cut into half. And we have 2 spring onions and some brown sugar. And of course the star of the recipe, this is pre-marinated chicken for 20 to 24 hours I guess. And this is for 1 person. So I took 100 grams of boneless chicken and marinated that with simple spices. That includes some paprika, some turmeric, some salt and pepper. Then I also minced some garlic, like very finely minced that into a paste. And I mixed that with the chicken so I don't have to use garlic over here. For this recipe, I took a non-stick skillet, added a little bit extra oil, around like 5 to 6 tablespoons. And because I have to fry the chicken and I also have to fry these things, so yeah, so keep the flame at like medium. It sizzles, we are perfect to go. This is the color that we are expecting to reach, and yeah. A good 2 to 3 minutes works perfectly. The next step of the process, we fry the peppers. Now we move to the third step of the process. I poured out the extra oil. Now we have like 3 tablespoons of the same oil that we used to fry the chicken and the peppers. So let's jump in. Some pepper. Now we're gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a whole tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. That's a little bit of water. A little amount of red paprika and some crushed peppers. To this we add our diced tomatoes. Now add in our peppers and our chicken. Mix everything. Keep everything at high flame and try to toss. A whole spoon consists of every ingredient as possible. Let's see. It is fantastic, guys. See you on another episode. Bye bye.